In a club, there are 120 girls and twice as many boys as girls. The magic phrase. So boys will be 2 units because of twice. And I'm comparing with my girls after the magic phrase as many as. So you see, I repeat, twice as many as. This is my boys. This is my girls, right? From the sentence, right? I'm just repeating it, okay? Rewriting it. So I want you to see as many as. The first item is this one. The second item after as many as will always be 1. Whatever the first item is comparing it with, the comparing it with is always 1 unit. Understand? After as many as, it's always 1. Drill it inside your brain. Very important information. Okay, now they say that there are twice as many boys as girls. Let's just write out my model, okay? Boys and girls. Boys is twice as girls. Girls is 1, right? We established it here already. There are 120 girls. This one is 120. What fraction of the total number of members? I need to find the total. Okay, I need to find the total. What fraction of the total number of members in the clubs are boys? And also, I need to find my boys. Let's look at this. The girls is 1 unit. The boys is 2 units. Can I find my boys? I can. Boys will be 120 times 2 equals to 240. What's my total? How many total units do I have? 1, 2, 3. So total will be 120 times 3. That will be 360. Now, what fraction of what? The total number. So my total is my denominator. My boys is my numerator. Boys is 240. Total is 360. Now, you need to make them into simplest fraction, simplest form. 0 and 0 can be divided, means divide by 10. 24 and 36 divided by 12. Faster. If you divide by 2, can, but very slow. 2, 2, 2, 2, about, I think 4 times of that. Divide by 12. So, divide by 12, I get 2. Divide by 12, I get 3. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Answer. Mark. Let's do your corrections now. 33. A box contains 2.4 kg of biscuits and 3.8 kg of crackers. What is the mass of 3 such boxes? Means 1. So in 1 box, I have 2.4 kg of biscuits and 3.8 kg of crackers. That is 1 box. So what is the total mass for a box? You find the total mass first, okay? So total mass for 1 box, you need to add, right? 2.4 kg plus 3.8 kg. That will give me, so when you add, you need to get 6.2 kilogram. Is that it? Is that what I want for the question? No, they want 3 such boxes. So if you were to draw model, you can see like this. 1 box is 6.2 kg. I have 3 boxes. What is the total mass? What do I do? 6.2 kilogram times 3. Okay, and when you times this, how do you times? As usual, like this. Okay, the 3 doesn't go in front. That only happens when you are actually adding or subtracting. But when you do your multiplication, the whole number just be at the usual place. Don't have to shift it in front. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Now it's time to bring down your decimal point. There. 18.6 kilogram. That is my answer. 18.6. Okay. Next one. A group of scouts made 19.8 liter of lemonade to sell at a fundraising event. Each means one glass could hold 0.8 liters of lemonade. If they had sold 7 such glasses of lemonade, how much lemonade was left? Okay, so what I know here is each glass is 0.8 liters. Now I have 7 glasses. I need to find that one first. One glass, 0.8 liters. Right now I have 7 glasses. That will be 1 to 7 is times 7. Here will also be times 7. So 0.8 times 7 equals to 5.6 liters. Okay, so I know I made a total of 19.8 liters of lemonade, right? Right now, I already sell about 5.6 liters of lemonade sold, this one. I want to know how much left. What do I do? Minus 19.8 liters minus 5.6 liters. When you minus, then you must align it properly. Okay, when you times, it's okay. You just times as usual. This one must align. This one and this one must be the same. Then you minus, okay? So answer is 14.2 liters. Okay? Right, I want you to copy down this one first before I move on to 35. Jamie spent 1/3 of her money on a pair of shoes. She spent 2/3 of the remaining money on the pair of pants. If Jamie had $126 left, how much money did she have at first? Can you see the word remaining? When I see that, I know that this is my remainder concept. When it comes to remainder concept, there are many ways to do this. Either you want to use the fraction method, you want to use the model method, or you want to just simply use the units from the fraction. Means just you look at the fraction, you take out the units from there. I am going to use the model method for you to see. Okay, so we draw the model based on this one first. When I say I spend 1/3, means she have three parts at first, right? 3 parts of her money. She have 3 parts of the money, like that, like that. She spent 1/3, this one, on shoes. Okay. Then where is the remainder? This is my remainder, correct? If you look at the remainder, it is 2 parts. However, they say that she spent 2/3 of the remaining money, 2/3 of the remainder. Now I need to have the remainder to be 3 parts. But when I look at my remainder, there are only 2 parts. I need it to be 3. Can I change my 2 parts to become 3 parts? I can by changing it to become 6, right? Making it to be the same denominator. The denominator tell me the total parts. This is total parts. So total remainder, correct? Total remainder here is 2 parts. So I'm going to change them. Here I times 2. Here I times 3. So I will have this as 4/6. Over here I have 6 parts. This is 6 parts also, right? Same, right? Here and here now the same. So I cut the remainder first, 3 parts. 3, 3. If I cut remainder, the shoes must also cut. Now, out of the remainder, how many did she spend on a pair of pants? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is spent on pants. Okay, the leftover is 126. This is left. How many parts? 1, 2. 2 parts or 2 units. Parts is also known as units. parts and units, they are the same. Okay? So now we have this relationship. We're going to use this relationship and then pluck it out here. 2 unit is 126. Always find 1 unit. To find 1 unit, it is always, forever and ever divide. Okay? 1 unit is 126 divided by 2. And I will be getting 63. Now, how much money does she have at first? At first means everything. The total parts or total units will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9 units. 9 units will be 63 times 9. And my answer will be $567. Answer. Remain the concept. Copy down. Okay.